They're back within one. An excellently taken spot kick from Ndlondlo. Will it be too little too late though?
Well struck penalty from Ndlondlo.
Now, Samiyumba to the cross, but not clear. Deflected! Chakuma has taken the lead here. An absolute opportunity, despite the deflection, to lay siege and one hand on the trophy that is the National Cup. To claim his second Nedbank Cup goal despite a little deflection, and it's advantage Chakuma at the Free State Stadium.
And we'll see. We'll see exactly how they're going to play tomorrow when they play TX Galaxy. Because Owen de Galm is an astute coach and an astute shot as well, which Masaluke certainly paid attention to. Didn't make a save from it, but that's much better from Maruma Gallants.
It just reminds me of the goal that he scored in the Nedbank Cup final.
Ndlondlo with the shot in it, goal bound, and it rifles off the back of the Palisades at the back.
Molangwani, Mapocha's gone very far up the touchline, inside from Filipino and Gemma. Oh, there was a deflection on that, and it's a really top save from Richard Ofori.
Utongati being beaten by TX Galaxy 1-0. KP Moya losing to a similar scoreline to TS Sporting. Shot just outside of Virgil Feaster's left hand upright.
Yes, good shot there from Ndlondlo.
Need a cross in here. Crucial touch there, but it's still alive here for TTM. Ndlondlo had to keep by full stretch.
You can actually see that he's placing it. Bit of a killer on it.
So, Ndlondlo with the opportunity now. Excellently finished. No chance for Ricardo Goss. Maruma Gallants are in the lead.
Hard. Good height it might have been, but the pace with which it was hit.
Delivery in here from the corner. Watenga's got something on it, but a big attempt from Nyamane to hit that ball home.
A player who had such a fabulous tournament last year, standing over this. Ndlondlo goes for it, and he's forced a fine save out of Cock.
Decent pass, Lamola out wide. Now, who's in support? He's a little isolated there.
Not afraid to run at the opposition, although he was held in check very nicely there by Trey Mukabi. He does a great deal of attacking, but not afraid with his spotted defending either. Good ball by Ndlondlo.
After the ball in a way, but fouling the goalkeeper. Ndlondlo again, delightful ball through. Rakhane, great chance for number 2, and it's been saved by Watenga.
Mamelodi Sundowns have bolted over the hill and far away already. Maruma Gallants will have to wait a couple of days more as they play Cape Town City on Wednesday, the 15th of September. That's away.
Here's Ngema looking to re-inspire some momentum for Chakuma. Breaks his way through the midfield. Free kick it'll be. We might see another yellow here. And we are.
Well, there was some great nifty work there, Dwayne, from Ndlondlo.
Now, Jabula Blom has picked up a yellow card already in this tie. Hasn't been flashed. Indeed, the second yellow has, which means we are going to see the red card. He is off, and Jabula Blom
Shows too much of the ball to Ndlondlo, and he's got a fresh pair of legs here, Ndlondlo. Ethan Brooks is going to be careful on the edge of the penalty area. Ndlondlo gets a second bite of the cherry. Lovely ball in there as well. Good play, and a great goal from Maruma Gallants. Is that Kowapeng?
Ndlondlo and Kwapeng. Quality all round.
Beautiful first time touches. Dan Dance Malasela will be doing just that, dancing in the aisles.
You do get the sense now that only one goal will settle this one. There he is dancing again. Great feet here. Ndlondlo! Maybe this time! He does it!
Talk about making up for the earlier embarrassing me.
It was actually the more difficult one that he scored, I reckon.
Yes.
Ndabayithethwa Ndlondlo.
and nangu-ke uNdlondlo.